Why some trees stay green even in winter? Today our trees will take us back to cold winter day and show us how evergreen trees got their special leaves. Let's watch the role play of why evergreen trees never lose their leaves. Winter had arrived. The birds flew south to escape the cold. But one little bird had broken wing. It could not fly with its friends. Oh, I'm so hungry and all alone. Where could I find a safe home? The little bird flew slowly to the trees and asked for help. Beautiful bird tree, my wing is broken. May I stay on your branches until spring? No, we of the great forest have our own birds to help. I can do nothing for you. The bird tree does not have enough strength. Tell us the road. Pray to me. You're so strong. Will you give me shelter? No, you may eat my acorns. I do not trust strangers. The bird left the oak sadly and flew towards a willow tree. Gentle willow, my wing is broken. May I stay on your branches until spring? No, I do not know you. Please leave. The little bird became very sad. It almost gave up hope. Before it had gone far, a voice was heard. Little bird, come here. You may stay on my long branches. I'm strong. I will protect you from the cold north wind. I will give you berries to eat all winter. Thank you, all my tiny little friends. Spruce gave the lonely bird home. The pine kept the cold north wind away from it, and the juniper gave it berries to eat. May I touch all the leaves in the forest? Not will touch every leaf in the forest, but the trees who showed kindness to the little bird may keep their leaves green forever, but the unkind trees will lose their leaves. From that day on, the pine, spruce and juniper trees rewarded green throughout the year. That is why they are always green. Moral of the story: